too. And so today I'm gonna be doing review of this and showcasing of this custom made for me Python snakeskin jacket with mink trim and black leather, and the matching custom made for me handbag and the matching arm pieces and the matching belt with solid sterling silver buckle. Okay, and the Prada, these Prada boots match, I think. What do you think? I mean they're not the exact same color, but yeah, I think the Prada boots are also Python. I mean they're dyed slightly differently, but they work. So what do you think? And then I'm also wearing the custom made for me hat or beret from Python skin as well. Also don't come for me. There's a vintage. I got this when I came from Africa more than 2 decades ago. And so, you know, they have been hanging in my closet. I think I've worn the jacket once with pants to the university or with the matching Python skirt to the university. But apart from that, it's been sitting in my closet all this time. So this is the look. I think it's a different and unique look. What do you think? I like it. And so the belt is very, very wide. And so what I'm gonna do is when I'm doing a showcasing of the outfit, I'll go ahead and take off the belt and try it with the regular black leather belt. This one that I've got here. This belt is from Halston. So I'll try with this Halston designer leather belt. And you guys can comment below and let me know which you prefer. So, talking about the outfit, let's talk about comfort. It is actually quite comfortable. I can move freely in them. I love this puff thing. It reminds me of the puff that came down the runways. I've forgotten the designer. If I remember, I'll mention the designer. So, you know, they had this puff and the color, and that was so fabulous. And it's short enough that it can be worn for spring, fall, summer, anytime you're so inclined. So that is one of the reasons why I like it, and that's one of the reasons I had them make it short. You know, that way you can actually have them make it short because it was for West Africa and it's warm there. So anyway, this is the look. The mink is very fabulous. It's in excellent condition and very, very soft. And the leather, the black leather is very soft. And the snakeskin leather is actually very soft and nice. So on the whole outfit works as far as I'm concerned. It's very comfortable, it's very unique, it's very different, and I'm feeling it. So comment down below and let me know what you think. So without further ado, let's go ahead and so music, hit it. watching. Thank you so much for being with us. And I hope you enjoy the vlog as much as I enjoy making the vlog for you all. And if you have not yet subscribed, please do hit the subscribe button here or here, depending on where it may be on your screen. And please do turn on the notification such that you'll be notified whenever I upload another fabulous ooh la la vlog. And so I hope you all are managing to stay safe. I hope you all are managing to stay positive, and you all take care of yourselves. Until next time that I upload another vlog, thank you for watching. Thank you for your support. Kisses. Kisses. Kisses from far away. Kisses from far away. Kisses from far away. Mwah. 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 Mwah.